Well, we are starting to track clear skies in Longview, and that will be the case here over at least the next 24 to 36 hours before we start to track our next storm system that will be making its rounds for the weekend. I don't expect widespread rain at this point, but there will be rain in the area, so we should prepare for the worst but hope for the best. And we'll talk about what the worst is here in just a little bit. Rainfall totals: Sulphur Springs to Mount Pleasant, anywhere from 84/100ths to about 9/10 of an inch for Sulphur Springs. Quitman at about 44/100ths, Northwest Smith County 8/10, and Hideaway between 5/10 and 6/10 of an inch. Here at our studios at KETK, we were at about 61/100ths. Cumberland Ridge about 9/10 of an inch of rain. Emerald Bay about 9/10 as well. You move further to the south, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches for any deep East Texas location. Allison picking up about 3.91. 2.4 that was picked up in Priscilla. 40s, 50s currently. It's 51 in Tyler, 46 in Gilmer, 43 in Mount Pleasant, 53 in Henderson. So big change in the air. Much drier, much more stable, but also cooler than what it was 24 hours ago. That 24-hour temperature change, we're anywhere from 20 up to 25 to 31 degrees colder than what we were at this point yesterday. High pressure continues to build in from the north, and that will effectively squash our rain chances today. But that moves to the east, and then we will be tracking our next storm system that will be arriving in Oklahoma as we head into tomorrow. It's going to sag to the south, and by Saturday morning, we are dealing with a couple of thunderstorms to our north and to our northeast. And this could be our next severe weather threat. It's not a high severe weather threat, nothing like what we saw 3 consecutive days this week, but it is a storm threat, so we do need to be preparing for the possibility of rain on Saturday. I think Easter egg hunts for the most part, assuming you don't live to the northeast, I think you're going to be okay with that. But as we move into your Saturday and Sunday, we'll continue to keep the consideration of precipitation in the forecast. I just don't think it's going to be widespread at this point. There's your severe weather outlook for Saturday. Everybody's under that level 1 marginal threat. That's because it's going to be warm, it's going to be humid. This tends to happen when it's just warm and humid like it's going to be. For the bus stop forecast, temperatures in the 70s today. Plenty of sunshine around. Recess looks great. This morning looks great. You might want that jacket this morning if you're dropping the kids off at the bus stop, but you won't need them this afternoon for the pickup time. Next 7 days, lots of sunshine today. 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are your storm chances. Middle to upper 70s Monday and Tuesday. We will hit 80 next Wednesday with another chance of showers and storms. Deep East Texas, same trend. I do expect temperatures to be right around 80 degrees for today. We'll be in the 80s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with those storm chances. 77 Monday. We'll hit 80 Tuesday with an additional chance of rain Wednesday.
All right, well, I do have to say, as long as it's not severe, rain sometimes is kind of nice when I'm inside. It gives me the excuse to just sit and watch Netflix, honestly, and not feel guilty about it.
Just to sit and watch Netflix, honestly.
I mean, when it's sunny out, I feel like I should be out doing stuff, but when it's, like, you know, groggy and gloomy, it's, like, nice to just sit around.
I'm making fun of you a little bit for that, but honestly, I do the exact same thing. So.
And probably a lot of our viewers do, too.
Yeah, I'm sure our viewers do too.
Yeah.
So
that's the bright side of the rain.
I mean, and again, I don't think it's going to be widespread. I would keep the Easter egg hunt on the calendar until we know a little more about it. But I mean, severe weather threats low at this point. We could use the rain too. And you know, we always have to be prepared for rain on Easter, right? Because historically, it is one of our rainiest times of year.
Yep. Well, thank you, Carson. And I want to thank our viewers. So to show some appreciation to our viewers, it's time for the KETK Today Rise and